reviewing. We're gonna be rating all of my fidgets, all of them.
Every single fidget.
Okay. Oh gosh. Let's start. You want this one? Okay, we'll rate out 1 out of 10. I'll go first. Puppets. This kind of puppet, 10 out of 10. No, 9.9.
Puppets are nice.
I rated 9.9.
9.9 is 9 and 9/10, so it's like one more tenth, and then
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. What do you rate it?
I rate it 9.5.
Okay.
Okay. How about marble mash?
I rated it 7.
Yeah. Marble mashes are like nice and stuff, but they're not like the best fidget you can find anywhere.
Orange Neato. I'm gonna rate it like. Let's put the ones we've already done there.
Slam dunk.
Okay. What? Okay. No, she does not play basketball. Neato. Orange Neato. 8.5.
Can I feel it for a second?
One second first. Neato farts. And go check out our other video. We have comparing Neato farts video. Go check it.
Except it's just me and my sister.
Yeah. But still watch it. I'm watching you. Come on. Go watch it. But don't leave this video. Watch the other video after.
Yeah, I would probably actually rate it like maybe an 8.6. Slam dunk.
Blue Neato. Let's see how this one feels.
Seriously, the tiny Neatos sound kind of like puppets when they fart.
I give this one 7.9. It didn't do what I wanted it to do. Did not do what I wanted it to do. Wacky Truck. And not a Wacky Truck. It is a Tangle. I rate this a... 1 second. We need to go to something.